We are almost to 300 subscribers. So stay to the end of the video because I'm doing a giveaway. Okay. I'm doing something wrong because it's like way off. Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I needed something a little bit chiller to do, especially since the last however many videos have been vlogging, adventure, and then also like a film shoot, which is always high stress and high energy for me, so I wanted to do something kind of chill. And one of the people who helps me chill on YouTube is Meow Meow Kapow, and ever since I saw her, I think it's called Making a Book from Scratch video, I've wanted to make a book from scratch. And she had mentioned she's doing a Skillshare video about how to do that, how to do bookbinding. So I was like, yay, bookbinding! I finally had some time to just sit and go through her whole Skillshare course and learn some new things. So I ended up trying all of her different bookbinding techniques, all of which I really enjoyed. But I did want to, it's kind of a review, I guess. I'm sort of reviewing her class, but mostly showing off what I made. It is sort of a sponsored video as well. If you check out the description below, there is a link to Skillshare, and if you use that link, you can get 2 premium... I'm trying really hard not to say 2 free months for free, which I did last video, so 2 months of premium Skillshare access for free. There's a nice, concise way to say it. So for now, I wanted to share with you some of the books that I made with Meow Meow Kapow's Skillshare course. So in that course, I ended up making, like Meow Meow Kapow does, she has a little book that goes with her travel watercolor kit. And this one's called the Maze book. So I did a little maze binding book, and I intend to just use this for like swatches or tiny doodles. I also did the accordion book and made this itty bitty little passwords book. It's the tiny book of passwords! Because I'm always forgetting my passwords, and that seems like a good size to do this with. The next one I did, and I think it's actually my favorite out of everything that I learned, was the slot and tab technique. Way off. It's like going diagonally the whole way across. Which, I mean, if I were being impatient, I could just chop it down. But I feel like I'm misunderstanding something about how these slot together. So I'm gonna rewatch her thing and see if I can figure out what I did wrong. So this one you can actually add tons of paper to, which I loved, and I went like one step beyond her class and added like kind of a hardcover. It's technically still a soft cover because it's just cardstock, but then a little doodle on top, which I'm super pleased with how this one came out as well. This I definitely want to try again. In fact, this was not the reason I took the class, her pamphlet binding one, which was like what she did in her video. That's the reason I took the class. I wanted to know how to do this. But this is definitely the notebook I'm going to be making more of in the future. Because the pamphlet style one, you can only add a few pages to it before it starts to get all wonky. But it's still super cute. And I'd like to make some Patreon rewards that are handmade custom books. Because I just think that would be really, you know, kind of unique and fun. And now for the review. So even though I didn't have exactly the right tools, in particular and all for poking holes in this last notebook, I learned a lot and I was able to successfully make every single book technique that Kat had taught in her course. So if you're even a little bit interested in bookbinding and making your own notebooks and sketchbooks, I highly recommend taking this course. It made it so easy to figure it out, how to sew, how to fold paper. All of it was covered, and Kat did a really amazing job. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do bookbinding, the link is in the description below, and again, if you click on that, thank you. That helps me out, and It helps you out because you get 2 free months of Skillshare for absolutely free. There's just no way I can say that like a human being. You can help support not only me, but also another fellow YouTubing artist, which is Meow Meow Kapow. And if you don't know of her channel yet, that's right up here. You guys should definitely check her out if you like anything that I do. You will absolutely adore her. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you know, as usual, if you like this video, make sure to give me a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll do one more thing for you. If you comment in this video and share this video, just tag me in where you share it. I will pick 3 people to make a custom notebook for. You get to tell me what color, what doodle you want on it, and I will mail it to you. So since we are close to 300 subscribers, help me get there, share it, and I will make you a sketchbook as well. Thanks for watching. Bye! Wow. Holy sh**, can we dance?
It's like a professional music video choreographed live on television.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Also, I need to brush my teeth.
Yeah, they just keep like fucking looping that over and over.
I was recording that whole thing. Whoops.